Hello guys, how are you all? Hopefully you all are doing very well. Welcome back to my new video guys. Today's content is about how to share your screen on Google Meet on a laptop and PC. Alright, so let's quickly start our video. First you have to search for Google Meet. Okay, after searching you will find the first option and click on it. After clicking, see friends, you will get the option for new meeting, right? So you need to click on it. After clicking, see the second option is start an instant meeting, right? You need to click on it. This is a joining line. So now look here, you will find a present now option. Okay, so you need to click on it. After clicking, you will get three options in front of you: Chrome tab, window, and entire screen. So whichever you want to share, Chrome tab, window, or entire screen, whatever it is you want to share. I am sharing the entire screen here. Go here, select it, and simply share it so the window will start to be shared. Okay, so you can share your screen like this on Google Meet. So friends, if you are liking our video, please like, subscribe, and share the channel. Bye for now. See you in the next video.